Hello everyone. So today I'm unboxing Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and as you can see, I bought it from Samsung shop. They're the Samsung's own online store, and I removed this box from the packet. And as you can see, there is a bill, and there is another box inside this box. So they are using all the paper for the environmental friendly purposes. And now I'm going to remove the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra box. It is a long name, so here you can see it is this is a very sleek box. As you can see, there is nothing. I don't expect a charger. It is very sleek. So yeah, now I'm going to open it. And yeah, yes, my friend is going to hold the camera, and now you can see I'm opening it. There's two seal, one is upside and another is the downside. So yeah, let's see. So here is the phone in itself, and I think it is a pretty impressive. It looks really nice. When I first saw it, actually I'm pretty impressed with the design of it. I don't know, I feel like it is kind of boxy, because very boxy, very edgy. I feel like it is more comfortable to hold in hands than the round corner ones. But you can see the design throughout. And now I'm opening the kit they provide. In this kit they only have the cable, nothing else. So yeah, and nothing else in there. It is a type C basically. Some paperwork, no one reads it. And I'm going to peel out the screen protector from it. And as you can see, the camera bumps feel a little bigger on this one. I'm just going to try it with one hand, because from another one I'm holding the camera right now. So yeah, now I'm going to switch it on and set it up. And by the way, it is a 512 GB variant. And I'm pretty much impressed with the simple sophisticated design. Before, they used to make the curved display. The display were little curved from the edges, but now they make a very simple and sleek design. It is just like a brick at this point to me. Simple, sober design. Basically almost every phone is coming like that. And the display quality, I don't think so there's not anything to say about display quality of Samsung, because they make pretty impressive displays already. And I was setting it up all. Now it is all set up, and the boot was very fast. And yeah, this is the pretty much wrap up of the unboxing. Thank you everyone.